Okay guys, welcome again to another episode of Pinoy in Australia. So right now what I would like to share to you is how to fix a stinky washing machine. And you can see heaps of dirt inside the uh, washing machine. And one of the symptoms is once you wash your clothes, there are lots of dirt uh, stick onto your clothes. So it's not clean. It doesn't really clean the clothes that you're washing. So one of the symptoms that you can find, guys, is see all those dirt, guys, sticking on the side. Originally, there are lots of dirt in there. I just wash it with pressure washer, guys. And this one, that's really very dirty, guys. See that center here, guys? That's full of dirt, guys, like this, like that. It's really full of dirt. So all those were come from dirty. All those dirt are come from dirty clothes. And this one, before I dismantle this one you can observe is the washing machine smells bad. It's like the smell of socks, socks. So I already removed the blade here, some kind of pulsating ring. That's the one make the water spin. So I'm gonna show you that portion, guys. Okay. This is our pulsating ring, guys. I asked already my kids to wash it, my son. Originally, the whole thing, the color of this thing is brown because of this. See this dirt? These materials there, that dirt that you can see, it covers the whole thing. So the only reason why little bit clean is I asked my son to wash it with pressure gardening hose. So this is the portion of that washing machine. So this is the one covering here. So you need to use pick or small screwdriver to remove this one. And there is a 10 millimeter bolt there. So the size of the head is 10 millimeter. So you need to remove this one and clean it. And also we need to remove the drum. So in order to clean this washing machine properly, we need to remove this. See this big drum, guys? We need to remove this drum. So in order to remove this one, we need this socket. We need size 36 millimeter socket. I do have size 36 millimeter socket, but the problem is the driver of that socket is 3/4 drive. I need 1/2 drive. I'm going to purchase a 1/2 drive, a smaller drive, 1/2 drive, 36 millimeter. So this one says 36. So this perfectly match on this thing. So we need to use impact wrench here to undo the nut, so we can remove the whole drum. And what we need is a 3/4 drive, because what I have here is a 1/2 drive. So this is one. Okay guys, in order to access the drum, so you can service the drum and remove it and clean it, you need to remove this cover. So this cover is placed here, it is attached there. Wait, in this portion, guys. Ano? Yep, like that. So it's located there. So as you can see, guys, this cover have is hole. There's a screw here. See that screw? Multiple hole. See this one. There's a hole there. There are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 8 holes, and those holes have screw attached on this portion. Guys. So that one is attached here. You need to remove all the screws. So once you remove those old screw, you can remove this cover, guys. Cover for the drum. And guys, the top portion of this washing machine, you can remove it by removing the screw on the top. See, there is a rubber here covering this hole, and there is a metal screw inside that thing. There are two of them. So this, the metal screw, that hole, see that hole? There's a metal screw securing that one, and the metal screw goes wait guys, I'm trying to find it. So the screw, guys, go in here, guys. It goes in there. So that's the one. That's the two screw securing the front top of the washing machine. So that's the one securing this this portion, guys. Secure this area. So that those two screw. Now in the back portion, see this part portion, guys. This one and another one there, guys. Another one here. Another one here, there. So that one, guys, done. That one and that one. That one. Okay, guys. I got a mistake there. I really don't need to remove this screw, because this one secure from this inner part of the control panel. So in order to remove this one from here, from the drum, see those holder, guys. See this hole? There's another one holder in the top. See? Those two holes there. That one is attached here. You need to remove those two screws, guys. There's another one like this on the other side. So you need to remove those 4 screws, 2 screws each. And in this portion, there is a wiring harness. See this wiring harness? You need to remove those 2 screws that attach in here, guys. So see those screws. One of this is the one securing the lid, the upper portion of the washing machine, and this is the ground. That's where the wire attached. See the symbol ground. So you need to remove those things. So one here. So that's around 4. 2 here on the other side, and 2 grounds. So once you remove that one, remove the screw on the front that goes in here, guys. See? So once you remove the rubber here, you can access the screw. So once you remove those 6 screw, actually 6, 2, 4, 6, 8 screw, guys. Once you remove all those 8 screw, you can lift this upper portion of the washing machine. So this is your control. This is where the computer of this washing machine attached. So be careful not to drop this one, and also be careful not to make it wet, because once you wet it, it will damage the computer inside, the electrical component. So I'm going to buy that socket, guys, so we can remove this this lid. So when it comes to cleaning this one, you need 636 socket wrench. You need an impact wrench because it's very hard to remove that one with the spanner or a ratchet. You cannot remove that one. That's very hard, guys, because that bolts and nut is exposed to water and soap, and some dirt corrosion is already there, and a little bit of corrosion will make the thread stuck together. So once I got the parts, guys, the socket, I will continue removing this thing, then we will continue the filming. Okay, guys, I have managed to remove the drum, guys. So that's what it looked like once you remove the drum, guys. So see all those dirt, and they smell bad, guys. Really stink. So that's what happened to the washing machine. If you're washing those, especially those rugs or carpet, you know, where you enter the house, there's some kind of carpet in the flooring. That's where the dirt coming from. So it's better to remove the dirt first, hit the carpet on the wall, so all the dirt will come up before washing them, putting them in the washing machine. So I need to clean all the stuff here. See, all the stuff. So by the way, guys, where you are going to undo this bolt here, there is a big nut there, size 36. You need to turn the nut clockwise. So it's not like the conventional nut that if you're going to remove the thing, you need to be counterclockwise. This one, guys, need to be undo or remove in clockwise direction. So this is the done, guys. So that's how it looked like, guys. Very dirty. So that's where the nut. There's a nut. This is where the nut is placed. And see all the dirt, guys. So that's the one making the bad smell, guys. So right now I'm going to clean this drum, guys. I'm going to brush it. Okay, guys, I have managed to clean the drum using the pressure washer, guys. So that's my pressure washer, guys. So it's much faster and more convenient if you're going to use pressure washer, guys, because it's very fast, guys. You don't need to scrub it. So that's how it looked like, guys, after cleaning using the pressure washer machine. See, it looked like brand new. It looked like brand new, guys. Unlike before, it's full of crap. And this is what it looked like inside, guys. Okay. It also looked like brand new. So using the pressure washer will make lots of difference, guys. And you save lots of time if you use pressure washer. This is our pulsator blade, guys. So it's very clean now. Very clean, very far from before. Before it's really full of shit inside. So it's clean. It's clean right now. So the next thing I need to do right now, guys, is to put the drum inside the washing machine. There are lots of mess in my garage, guys, because I'm going to clean. I'm gonna do general cleaning today, guys. When I work in the garage, my wife's really angry to me because there are a lot of shit on the ground inside the garage. So I make my wife very pissed off. Lucky she's not here. He's on vacation right now in the Philippines. So by the way, the brand of this washing machine is Samsung. So it's Samsung, guys. So if you have encounter dirty washing machine, even when you wash the clothes, there are a lot of stuff, dirty stuff sticking in the clothes. That's the thing that you need to do. So Samsung active dual wash digital inverter. So this washing machine, guys, all you need to do is program it, check which clothes you need to wash, the selection. Then after selecting the thing, you select the water level, wash time, rinse time, and start, and it will wash by itself and it dries the clothes. All you need to do is hang the clothes to the sunny area to make it dry. So I'm going to put in the drum now, guys. So after putting the drum, guys, we need to put this nut and the washer. Okay, guys, so need to put it here, and just want to make put some emphasis here, guys, that this nut, in order to tighten it, you need to turn it counterclockwise, guys. See, that's how you tighten this one counterclockwise. Okay, guys, in this particular model of washing machine, guys, what we need is size 36 deep socket, guys. So I'm going to tighten it now, guys. So that's tight now, guys. Okay, guys, the next thing that we need to do is to reinstall this pulsating blade, guys. So this is the one that make the water tones and all the clothes tones inside the washing machine. So I just want to review it again for you guys. When removing this pulsating blade, guys, after undoing this nut, this is 10 millimeter head bolt, so you need a 10 millimeter socket on this one. Once you undo this one, in order for you to remove from the machine, what you need is to use this L pick and see all those 3 slots there. Put this one inside the slot and pull this one up. So this is how pull this one up with the blade. So that's how you pull this one out of the washing machine. Okay guys, when it comes to putting back the lid of this bolt, see those three spikes there? That's the locking mechanism. You need to align that locking mechanism. See that locking mechanism, the green stuff, on the slot there. You need to align that one on the slot. Yeah, that's in. Next thing you need to do is to put back this lid, this upper cover of the drum. So we just need to align this this hole. See all this hole, guys? There is corresponding partner, that one and that drum. So you need to align that one. You need to align this one here, this one to here. So there are I think eight bolts in there. Okay guys, these are the screw that securing the upper part of the washing machine. This one, and there's another one here, and this screw also, that's the one that holding the upper frame, the main portion of the washing machine. So you also need to remove this ground. So once you remove all those bolts, you can lift up this part of the washing machine, the whole head. So there's another lid here that give protection to the component of the washing machine. So those are the bulbs. So this is the hot water and cold water. So those are the bulbs that control the flow of the water. So hot water, this is the control bulb, this one and this one. So this is the lid, guys. So in order to put this lid back on, just align this slot over here, that one, align on that hole there. Then you align this one from here. Then you put screw on this two hole. So in some situation, guys, you need to use the manual screwdriver, because if you use the electric, sometimes it got too much torque, it cracked the plastic. So that this is another grounding point, guys. So don't forget to put this one back, because you need to remove this one so you can move this head away from the body of the washing machine. Some clip here. Oh, get damage this one. Okay guys, our washing machine, guys, is working now. So it's clean. So that's how you're gonna do once you experience this kind of problem, guys. The symptoms are the washing machine is become very stinky, and you can see heaps of contamination inside the washing machine, especially once you remove the clothes. You can see lots of dirt, foreign materials coming from the dirty clothes, so they're stuck inside the washing machine. So in order to clean it, you have to follow those procedures, guys, that I had show you. So I hope this video will become helpful to you in the future, cleaning your washing machine. Okay guys, up to here only. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Before I forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button, and please press the like button, and also please press that notification bell so you will be notified every time I do a video. Okay guys, see you in the next video guys. Bye.